Kuya, how about Toyota Wigo po? Please review. Sige, dahil malakas kayo sa akin, tara, sagutin natin yan. Sige, honest thoughts about Toyota Wigo. Para sa akin, it's just really the best value for money na nameplate ever sa hatchback category. Perfect for first car. First of all, yung kanyang 1.0 liter engine, though it might be underpowered in some cases, di talaga siya yung peace of mind ka, no, sa akyat. Pero I believe kaya naman sa mga akyatan. Yun lang, medyo ano lang talaga siya, medyo mabibitan ka talaga if compared with getting a 1.2 hatchback. But yun nga, if ano ka na naman always city driving, then it's really gonna be good enough. Again, because of the 1.0 liter engine, yun, okay rin sa gasolina, pang daily na gasto sa gas. And again, when it comes to the features, kung i-compare lang natin sa ibang kasegment niya, sobrang okay yung features niya talaga, yung non-negotiables natin. Reverse camera, rear sensors, meron siya. And then, gustong-gusto ko rin yung pull-up type na grab handles compared with other hatchbacks also. Napaka-modern. Lastly, yung kanyang interior features, interior look, sobrang modern. Kahawig na yung mga older or bigger siblings niya, like sila Avanza, Race, Veloz, and then yung upcoming na Vios. So okay na okay talaga si Wigo. Personally, if ako bibili today, of course I'll get an automatic variant, and I will also change the rims or yung kanyang gulong, or maybe I'll just paint it black. And then, again, like I mentioned before, like a GR Yaris na concept. Sobrang masaya na ako dun. If ako lang, I'll be happy with that. Kung may one thing lang ako na hindi ko nagustuhan kay bagong Wigo is wala silang color black na option. But yeah, I believe you have gray, silver, yellow, and red. So, yun, pili ka na lang dun. So, overall, again, if I'll have to buy today and wala akong ibang choice, at the price range of 700,000, around that range, it's really a great value for money na sasakyan. So, go na. I have a review about that on my YouTube channel. If you want a full review, go ahead and check it out. Search nyo lang yung name natin and Toyota Wigo. So, sana nakatulong. Follow for more.